Hi, I'm Sylvia Ford. I'll be your instructor for this class. Thanks for clicking on my video link so I could say hello to you a little bit more face-to-face. I want to welcome you to the class, and I want to let you know that I'm really looking forward to being your guide in this course. There's two ways that I feel like I can communicate really well with you to be a good guide, and those two ways are through the announcements and through email. Now the announcements, I post a new announcement at the beginning of each week. The announcements give you tips and ideas and suggestions about how to be successful and really how to get through the course more easily. So I really want you to read my announcements. You can also scroll back through the announcements as we go through the course so you can see every announcement that was ever posted from the beginning of the term. Email is another really important way that I try to communicate with you, and not your personal email, but BSC wants me to use only the BSC email because it offers you security and privacy. So if I was a student, I would check my BSC email at least once a day. If there's an assignment that I think you could do better on or get a better grade on, sometimes I'm worried that you're not looking at the grading notes that I've given you, and I will send you an email and alert you about that assignment and give you a chance to fix it. So please check your email. There's one more suggestion I'd like to make, which is really not about communication, but I want to strongly suggest that you whip out your calendar and before the class starts, just plot out weekly when you'll have time to look at the lectures and do the assignments for the week. If you stay on course consistently with your scheduled plan on your calendar, I can almost guarantee you that you're going to do well in the class, and you'll also just enjoy it more too. So I'm looking forward to our time together. Thanks for looking at the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.